What's happening? This is like kind of like going back to our roots when we did like our first
haul video. Sitting on the couch.
Sitting on the couch with our red curtains to nowhere. Guess what, guys? A little secret. No windows. It's all a lie.
It's a wall.
It's all a lie. Anyway, this week's sourcing video, I did go sourcing, did my normal all day Thursday thing, but I was alone. You didn't go with me.
I had better things to do.
She had better things to do. Guys, she went into this hoarding house. Okay, let's give this setup really quick. Older lady passes away. Older lady lived alone in a home, a house, jam-packed full of stuff. We call it a hoarder house, not dirty, clean house.
No, everything was clean. All the countertops were clean. Her rugs and floors were clean. Things were a little bit dusty, but it was impossible to move everything to dust. So, but for the most part, she collected every single thing, new in box, kept all the boxes for everything. She collected certain items, and then she was, I want to say like a completionist. Like if she saw something that was within that thing that she liked, she bought every single thing that they had.
If she had a pair of shoes that she liked, she bought 10 of them and had every single pair in boxes, all the exact same pair of shoes. She passed away. Her son goes to take care of the house, walks in, goes,
hell no.
Holy cannoli Hank.
Yeah, so he basically hired a local person the local couple that are also resellers. They dabble in online, but they're not primarily online. So they started to tackle it, and they spent a good week and a half getting everything ready. I was able to go with another friend of ours, Dorothy, to get first dibs at things at the house last week. But there was still so much we couldn't get to because it was buried in every room.
Right. Bottom line, the son actually sold the entire contents of the house to some local resellers. They tried to tackle it. They took it over for a week. They told us and Dorothy that we could come get first dibs on it. We went in, bought some stuff, didn't get any video. They realized it was more than they could handle. They then in turn sold it all to Dorothy. And then we were able to get some video, or rather you went and got some video. And that's what follows here. Is what's coming up.
All right, so this is the hoarder house. We were able to get some stuff out of here that we'll show in the haul video this week. But here's the haul where it starts. This is coming in the front door. One china cabinet. This woman liked her stuff, right? So nothing is dirty. That's the thing. This is a hoarder house that is a hoarder house full of collectibles. She spent a lot of money on this stuff. One of the things in here is a super high-end stereo component. Marantz. Everything there. Lots of different pieces. So my friend knew the people that took this house over after this woman passed away, and basically what she decided to do was make an offer for the entire house, or the contents of the entire house, I should say. So this is what we're doing now. I'm going to try and help her package some stuff up and find some things, and so she made an offer on the entire house, the contents of the entire house, and this is just one room, guys. That's Dorothy. Say hi, Dorothy.
Hi, Dorothy.
And so this is one room. Here's some dolls. These are like all Danbury Mint dolls, not the not inexpensive collector's dolls. I mean, they were all super expensive that she purchased.
Here's all the Garth Brooks and stuff.
There's a whole
package.
Whole bunch of Garth Brooks stuff. Let's see. There's some furniture. We've got some vintage furniture. Lots of Thomas Kincaid stuff. These doll plates are pretty interesting. Since I love selling dolls, those are nice for collectors. There's tons of Care Bears, M&M stuff, Precious Moment stuff. Look at these Hallmark ornaments.
This is just a drop of the Hallmark.
This is one room.
Like
one room. These are the Barbies, or some of the Barbies over here. Care Bears, more Care Bears. Some California raisin stuff, which I grabbed a bunch of that stuff. I love it. Here's some, oh, Beanie Babies. Hey. Annette Funicello bears. Those are pretty collectible, actually. Let's see. This is one room. Got some Elvis collectibles. This is another room. This is the bedroom. So a lot of this stuff has been gone through anyway. More Elvis-y stuff. All kinds of, we got some vintage clothing out of this closet here. Not a ton, but we did get some out of here. She liked her t-shirts. Let's see. So that's one bedroom. This is actually not a small house. It's just really, really full. As you can see, there's pathways everywhere, and the carpet is real clean. Everything's clean. It's not dirty stuff. It's just a lot of stuff. There's a real big difference. So we've got a little baseboard here. Haven't even gone into any cabinets or anything yet. Here is the kitchen. Starting to pull some of the stuff out of the cabinets here. Even this, look at that. Empty pill bottles. Who saves all those empty pill bottles? Apparently, this lady. Gorgeous radio. Antique radio. Philco radio there. More Beanie Babies. More stuff in the bathrooms. Again, it's all clean. Okay, so this is one room that was mostly cleared out. This was floor to ceiling. Here's some more Christmas ornaments. Itty bitties. Look at this. Look at this Hallmark table. Oh, man. There's a lot here. The thing is about this woman is everything she had, or almost everything she had the boxes, which is fantastic. She worked for Hallmark. So look at this. She's got the UNESCO thing, everything in here. These are all Lenox, Snow White collectibles. These are Danbury Mint, Wizard of Oz collectibles. More collectibles on the bottom here. These go for about $300 to $400 each, just this set. They're 24 karat gold plated. She's got a box. Everything in here. This is dolls. So these are all Marie Osmond dolls. And they're almost all Snow White or Disney in some way. It's a whole stack of Marie Osmond dolls. And there's some big boxes up there. This is just crazy. This is Lenox. I bought a bunch of these.
Never opened one.
Yeah.
I mean, it's in there. Isn't that insane? Insane. Insane. Go see Christmas Disney's. Huh.
I'm going to have her splice this a little bit. Let's go see the...
This is crazy. I know it's not a big deal, but...
Oh my goodness.
This is crazy. And she never bought anything, just one. Like, there's these adapters here. There's like universal, there's 5 of them in there. All brand new. It's just so, look at all, and now, look, see how
there's
she bought
jackets
these
in here.
There's how many pairs of the same slipper? All new. It's just very interesting behavior.
There's a lot of stuff in here.
Bradford Exchange.
Oh, she liked panda bears.
Dolphins, panda bears, and Raggedy Ann.
Then there's this room.
Yeah, all these,
He didn't get these either.
No, he didn't.
We've got some, all kinds of dolls in here. We've got some Madame Alexander dolls. Those are the, probably the Wizard of Oz collection. Lots of Rudolph stuff, which is my favorite. I may have to bribe Dorothy into letting me have. It's probably the only thing I collect is Rudolph stuff. More California raisin stuff. All Hallmark ornaments. Raggedy Ann. Well, she liked Raggedy Ann. There's a lot of Raggedy Ann stuff. It's to the point where everything in here is all broken down because there's no... She doesn't have any furniture up in here because there was nowhere to put the furniture.
I think I put it in the baby box in the garage.
All right, and now this is the garage.
Kitchen.
This is the kitchen. We did the kitchen.
Look at that stupid Crayola up top. It's crazy.
Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, we've got Crayola collection going on up there. Even this stuff, everything's new in package. New in package. New in package. Yeah. This is Coca-Cola. This is insane.
Look at this. Real quick, I don't know if you like the whole set. There's a couple of
Oh, we got some Pyrex. Nice Pyrex.
Like...
Yep. Oh, and it's in nice shape. Oh my goodness. All right. We're going in. Oh, maron. Okay. Here's the garage. Boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes. So there's a lot of the things she had on display. Everything she had on display, I should say. She kept the boxes for.
Let me show you one random thing.
Yep, Elvis Presley Stife.
I looked him up. 125. So
it's insane. That's just one.
And that's just
one thing.
In a box, all these coin bears. These are all quarters. So they're not worth them. They're worth the quarters, but that's about it.
Oh, we got some more Rudolph in here.
None of these have been gone through. They didn't go through.
Build-A-Bear stuff. Well, it's broken down a bit. There's more more broken down than I thought. We got some Snow White up there. I can see all Christmas stuff. More Inesco. Nothing's been gone through up here. We have no idea what is in these boxes. No idea. Basically, this is about, if I had to put a number on this, about $100,000, at least $100,000 of stuff here. It's just all these Stife collectibles from Danbury Mint. There's a lot of those boxes I've seen. I went through here just a little bit the other day. More Care Bears. Look at the more Stife boxes. More boxes, more boxes.
Hallmarks, Hallmark.
Every ornament pretty much ever created by Hallmark, I feel like, all in the boxes. It's,
I actually stacked these up here.
It's a lot. What's over here? What are these things you stacked up?
I stacked these up. The train sets.
Oh, yeah, here. All Coca-Cola train sets. Oi. It's a lot. Cherished teddies. There's a lot of that stuff, too. Most of that doesn't have a lot of value, but one big lot. Some collector will buy it. This is, so pretty much Dorothy has her work cut out for her here. Everything is going to take a real long time to sort through. There's an FAO Schwartz spare.
This box is all cherished teddies.
All cherished teddies there. It's crazy.
These are, you can see them in there.
I apologize for the shakiness. I am filming this on my phone and walking.
You can see them. Full of
oh my gosh. All right, so that's all of all precious moments.
Precious. These are all precious moments.
It's pretty much every precious moments.
Probably multiples of each one.
It's some crazy, crazy stuff. Oh, another Rudolph. I see Rudolph.
Oh, I did this yesterday. I did this for her. I separated all of these are lots
of Rudolph stuff.
Lots of Rudolph stuff.
All right, I'm not crazy, so I don't want everything, but I am definitely going to try and buy some of this from Dorothy. Because I love me.
There's two of these I found.
I love this guy. Bumble. Some great stuff. Anyway, all right, so I am going to wrap this up. We'll try to show you some more stuff later. Oh, brand new mattresses in boxes. Oi, oh my goodness. This is just a lot. I'm overwhelmed and it's not even my stuff. Lots of stuff. I'm excited for you though. All right.
Thank you very much.
Here it is.
Do you see that big?
So what'd you think?
That was a lot of stuff.
That was a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it's a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuffs.
Yeah. So Dorothy's got like the rest of April to get all that stuff out of that house and then start listing it all. And you're going to help her a bit with that?
I'm going to help her a couple of times a week. I'm going to go over and help her sort and get stuff packaged up and try to put things in their proper boxes. And I think she's going to let me have first dibs at some of the Rudolph stuff. because I really love Rudolph Misfit stuff.
Very cool. So over the next couple of weeks, we'll try to get in there and get another video of stuff once some things have been moved around and we can get at more things. See if there's any secret stuff that hasn't been seen.
There's so much stuff that has not been touched. Boxes that haven't been opened that you can't get to yet. Boxes and boxes and boxes, especially in the garage. So there's a lot more than we were able to show even briefly in the video. So hopefully we'll get some more footage and show you some more really cool stuff that has not been seen by human eyes.
In a while.
In a long time.
At some point, human eyes.
I would say probably a decade. At least a decade since anything's been touched.
Anyway, guys, check out our Sunday live haul this week because we will be showing from the day that we went to the beginning and bought some stuff. You'll be showing some of the things you scored.
It was last Sunday.
Last Sunday, and I will be showing some of the t-shirts because most of the stuff was not anything I would sell, but there were some t-shirts, and let me tell you, there were a couple of t-shirts that were doozies, and I'm not exaggerating. Some super awesome t-shirts I'm really excited about. One t-shirt in particular that I think I'll be able to sell for about $200. So you should be watching that show. There will be a link below to the Sunday live haul, either to watch it live or so you can watch it after it's already aired.
Okay. Check out the stuffs.